Hey everybody, welcome back to Super Tech Services. We have a real quick video. Just want to show you how to get a meter on one of our Kyocera M3550s. So when you're in the field and you want to get a meter, just go ahead and hit the system menu counter button up top there. Hit report print at the very top, status page, and then press yes. Alright, and then I'll show you how to get that. Normally you can just, when that prints out, I'll show you what it looks like. So you can just send over the status page to us, or you can let us know right there what the total is. Now there's two totals, so what you want to do is just give us the meter, because sometimes it's calculated with the top, or sometimes it's with the bottom. The bottom's for the scan pages, but you definitely want to get the top one, or just send us the paper. Just one other thing you can do, if for some reason you have no paper, you can hit the system menu counter button again, and just hit counter at the bottom, and then printed pages, and then that'll give you the total there as well. All right, guys, that's it for the video today. Please like, comment, subscribe.